I will show you what is the mask realistic. First of all, the masks you have made are used to record layers like Photoshop, and then it makes it easier to use these. First of all, I press the plus button here and create a layer. I'm painting on this selected layer. I can do my masking now. After doing this, you can increase or decrease the opacity of the mask. I'm creating another one, and I'm doing my mask here. You can choose between these two. After that, you can do it as a real-time mask. As you can see, I'm starting to change the factor. We see this as a real-time mask. High contrast increases and decreases the opacity of the mask. After that, you will have to press the Create Mask button. After pressing it, the first, second, and last added mask. These are the top ones. The top one goes in the shape of the bottom one. You can change their places. After that, you can merge them down. You can even open and continue with the key of 10. After closing, you can move the top one to the bottom one with the merge down. You can come to the last layer in this way if you press the X button. The mask will merge. After that, when you want to merge again, you can do it as a real-time mask. When you press the pop-up button here, the same thing will be opened. But since there is no mask at the moment, this place is not opened. First of all, you have to create a layer. You don't have to make a mask. After making a mask, you press it and it will come out. Let's call it to the mask area. Let's call it A. Now let's see. It was created as you can see. I want to create another layer again. I'm going to mask it. I'm creating my second layer. Then I'm making it merge. Let's merge here. You can reach this menu on the radial menu. You can also use the buttons prepared for the mask here. See you in the next video.